video is to show you 4 different ways to end off your amigurumi pieces. Let's get started. The first way is by a simple slip stitch into the next stitch. So you want to make sure you're cutting a tail long enough so you can use it to sew your piece, and then you're just going to pull your yarn through. So this is the first one. So this is what I would use with an open stitch. So let's move on. Next we're going to do an invisible end off. So what I've done is finished the last stitch of the round and then pulled my yarn right up through it. And then we're going to thread our needle. Now make sure when you cut your tail that you cut it long enough to sew with it. And then we're going to skip the next unworked stitch and go under the front loop and back loop of the next stitch. Like so. And then we're going to come to the last stitch that we worked and put the needle down in between the front loop and back loop and pick up that last bump at the back too. Then pull until it's about the size of a stitch and secure it at the back. So I would use this for a flat piece. Okay, on to the third one. So we are going to finish our last stitch and we are going to slip stitch to the next stitch, just like we did in the first one. And then we're going to flatten our work. When we do this, then we're going to work in the same stitch we just put the slip stitch into. So we'll work through that and then in the last stitch we worked. So that extra, what looks like a stitch on the right hand side there, that is our slip stitch. We don't need to worry about that. And we complete a single crochet or whatever type of stitch your pattern tells you to do. So again, we're working through both pieces of material. We just keep lining up the stitches and we're going to work all the way through till the end. And the last way is to cinch the stitches closed. So what we need to do is we're slip stitching to the next stitch, making sure we leave a long enough tail, and thread our needle, and then we are going to work through the front loop only of each of those stitches that are left. So there's usually 6. So work through all 6 of those. And then what I also like to do is I like to work through the first one more time. And then we'll pull it closed. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then I like to tie off right there on the top. So I will tie off twice there. And then what I make sure I do is once I have finished tying off, I slip through right beside the knot and then come out farther down the head and make sure I pull that knot right into the top of the head. And then I use the needle to kind of fluff up the head so it's not flattened. All right, so 4 ways to close off your amigurumi pieces. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.